Imagine waking up in 2026 and realizing that many tasks you spent hours doing can now be completed in minutes. Writing documents, creating videos, learning new skills, building websites, analyzing information, managing your work, and even creating entire businesses are becoming easier because of one technology: artificial intelligence. AI is no longer just a futuristic idea from science fiction movies. It is becoming one of the most powerful tools available to ordinary people. The interesting part is that most people are still using AI only for simple questions and basic tasks, while others are using it to save hundreds of hours, improve their careers, and create new opportunities. In this video, we will discover 10 AI tools that could completely change the way you work, learn, create, and live in 2026. Some of these tools can help students, developers, creators, entrepreneurs, and even people with no technical experience. So stay until the end, because the final AI tool is one of the most impressive technologies you can start using today. Let's begin. For decades, Google was the main way people searched for information, but AI is changing how we find answers. Perplexity AI is an intelligent search engine that combines traditional web search with artificial intelligence. Instead of giving you thousands of links and forcing you to search through them, Perplexity can analyze information, summarize answers, and provide sources. Imagine researching a topic, preparing a presentation, learning a new technology, or comparing products. Instead of opening dozens of websites, you can ask one question and receive a structured answer in seconds. For students, researchers, and professionals, this can save hours every week. The future of search is not just finding information. The future is understanding information. Organization is one of the biggest challenges in modern life. People have ideas, notes, tasks, projects, and information everywhere. Notion AI transforms your workspace into an intelligent assistant. It can summarize documents, generate ideas, improve writing, create plans, and help organize your projects. Students can use it to summarize lessons and create study plans. Professionals can use it to manage projects and write reports. Creators can use it to plan content and generate ideas. The power of Notion AI is not replacing your thinking. It is helping you think faster and work smarter. Programming is one of the skills being transformed the most by AI. GitHub Copilot is an AI assistant designed for developers. It can help write code, explain programming concepts, find errors, and suggest improvements. For beginners, it can feel like having a teacher sitting next to you. For experienced developers, it can act like a productivity tool that reduces repetitive work. In 2026, developers who know how to work with AI assistants will have a huge advantage. The future programmer is not someone who competes against AI. It is someone who knows how to use AI. Voice technology has improved dramatically. ElevenLabs allows people to create realistic AI voices that sound almost human. Creators can produce documentaries, podcasts, educational videos, and audiobooks without needing expensive equipment. This technology is opening opportunities for people who want to create content but do not want to appear on camera. However, the most successful creators will still be those who combine AI with creativity, storytelling, and original ideas. AI can generate a voice, but humans create the message. A few years ago, creating professional images required advanced design skills. Today, AI image generators allow anyone to transform ideas into visuals. Midjourney can create realistic images, artistic designs, characters, environments, and concepts from simple text descriptions. Designers, marketers, content creators, and businesses are using AI images to speed up their creative process. The ability to communicate your imagination through AI is becoming a valuable skill. The future belongs to people who can turn ideas into reality quickly. Video creation is one of the fastest changing industries because of AI. Runway allows creators to generate and edit videos using artificial intelligence. You can remove backgrounds, create visual effects, generate scenes, and transform ideas into videos. Imagine explaining a concept and having AI help create the visuals automatically. This technology could completely change filmmaking, advertising, education, and online content creation. In the future, the difference between a small creator and a large production company may become much smaller. One of the most important AI tools today is ChatGPT. It is becoming a personal assistant for millions of people around the world. You can use it to learn new skills, brainstorm ideas, write content, analyze information, practice languages, solve problems, and improve productivity. But the real power comes from knowing how to communicate with AI. The quality of your results depends on the quality of your instructions. People who learn how to use AI effectively will have a major advantage in education, business, and careers. Claude is another powerful AI assistant focused on reasoning, analysis, and writing. It is especially useful for working with long documents, complex ideas, and detailed projects. Businesses use AI assistants like Claude to analyze information, create reports, and improve decision-making. As AI becomes more advanced, these tools will become like digital partners that help humans solve difficult problems. The biggest productivity improvement in the future will not come from working faster. It will come from eliminating unnecessary work. Zapier AI helps connect different applications and automate repetitive tasks. For example, a new email arrives, AI analyzes it, information is saved, a response is created, and a task is added automatically, all without manual work. Automation is becoming one of the most valuable skills for individuals and businesses. The most important AI technology for 2026 may not be a single application. It may be AI agents. Unlike traditional AI tools that wait for commands, AI agents can complete tasks with more independence. They can research information, plan actions, use different tools, and complete complex workflows. Imagine having a digital employee that helps manage your projects, your business, your research, and your daily tasks. This is the direction where artificial intelligence is moving. AI is not just becoming a tool, it is becoming a collaborator. Artificial intelligence is changing the world faster than almost any technology before it. The biggest opportunity is not simply using AI. The biggest opportunity is learning how to use AI better than everyone else. The tools we discussed today are only the beginning. In the next few years, AI will transform education, jobs, businesses, and creativity. The people who adapt early will have a huge advantage. So start experimenting, start learning, and start building with AI. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more videos about artificial intelligence, future technology, and tools that can improve your life. The future is arriving faster than we think. And the question is, will you use AI or will you be left behind? See you in the next video.